Hi everybody, welcome to Cooking with Keep On Moving. And tonight, let me introduce myself. My name is Lori. Welcome to my kitchen.
I'm
It's my daughter Julia, my best friend Kim.
Hey.
And so we're gonna make something really simple tonight. You're gonna be amazed how simple it is. It's a vegan, gluten-free chili. And for you people that aren't vegan and gluten-free, it's a great recipe. So if you have somebody vegetarian come into your house, so quick to put together and they will be impressed, okay?
Yeah,
So
let's do it.
all right, okay. All right, guys, so this is what we're gonna use. It's really easy. You're gonna be amazed how easy this is. I didn't feel like cutting vegetables today, so I just bought pre-cut vegetables. I have onions here and tri peppers, so yellow, green, and red peppers. I have how do you say that?
Poblano peppers.
Poblano peppers, thank you very much. And this is Marion tofu crumbles. This stuff is great for anything that you would replace, hamburger with, like spaghetti sauce, that kind of stuff. It's excellent. So we're using that. We have black beans, Goya black beans, Cento puree, tomato puree, just tomato. And the spices we're going to use is cumin, paprika, cayenne, Italian seasoning. And that's going to make our chili powder. You can buy your own chili powder if you don't feel like doing that, but it's very simple. Believe me, it's very simple. So this is it. You're going to be amazed.
Tofu just went in.
And we've got green pepper. No, this is the poblano pepper. And then we put the onions in. So we just put it all in there. There's no
the tags
sauteing. Yes, exactly. Whatever those are that keep them.
It keeps them really fresh.
Exactly. So everything just goes in. That's it. That's all it is. It all goes in, and then you just start, cooking it, and it's super easy. So yeah, there's 2 cans of these, and these are
Cento puree.
28 ounces. So I think that's probably, I did have an extra thing there, but I'm going to wait and see. But I think that's
emergency finely chopped tomatoes standing.
So everything's in there. We have so 2 cans. We got the veggies. We got the tofu. So now we're going to put the seasoning in. Now I'm not a measurer, so you're going to have to watch. All right. So I'm going to just sort of, I guess about it. So that to me is about a tablespoon. Yeah, it's about a tablespoon. And I like cayenne pepper. You may not, but
I got it.
I'm fumbly with the fingers today. All right, so that's probably like, I don't know how many shakes that was.
I would always add like 20 more, but I want to make it good for everyone.
Yeah, a lot of people don't like their chili too hot, and Dick, my father-in-law, doesn't like his chili too hot.
Add enough paprika though. Let's make it.
Yeah, no, paprika you add more of. A little bit more. So I'm thinking that's about a tablespoon, probably of can't talk.
It's okay.
Paprika.
Taste as you go though, right?
Right.
Or something.
I will taste it, yeah, and then
that's the cumin.
Cumin. So I'm thinking that's probably all those, and then I have the salt, and salt is about not that much. I'm thinking that's about a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Good luck.
I didn't get that, but
And if you have any extra salt, you want to throw it over your shoulder for luck, just because we're not superstitious or anything. But and then pepper, put a little bit of pepper in there. I think I did everything. So, oh yeah, olive oil. You gotta have olive oil. That's like a major
brings
thing.
it all together.
Yeah, it's olive oil and everything. I love olive oil. It's very healthy oil. And so I just kind of, it just depends on what you want. If you want low-fat chili, don't put it in there. It'll be okay without any olive oil. You don't have to put any oil at all. And I've done it without oil, and it was fine. It was great. So that.
Hey, big guy. Big guy. Hi. He's very pretty. Anyway, back to dinner. Yeah, we got it. Here is the final product from dinner. We all ate so fast we didn't film it. But a bowl of chili garnished with chips and Daiya vegan cheddar shreds and olives if you're into that, Siete lime chips, and a side salad done by Kim.
All right, bon appetit, guys.
Bon appetit. Enjoy.